Hi, crafty friends. Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today, I'm creating a layout using the December 2025 Shimmerz Paints color kits. Now, I do have a full unboxing, so I will leave that link down below in the description box. You're seeing here that I've taken one of my favorite pieces of the pattern paper, the one with the multicolored stripes, and I cut it apart. I cut each strip and then I distressed the edges. I cut this down to 8.5 by 11 and I glued each of these strips just to a white piece of cardstock so that I could go ahead and put those down on my paper here. I'm using one of the pattern papers that was in the collection, the one with the snowflakes on the side, and that's going to be the base for today's layout. I have one picture that I'm going to scrapbook, and this is my kitty Pepper on Santa's lap. And I have to tell you about this photo. So I had been seeing on Facebook a local shelter or humane society was having photos with Santa and your pet. And I really wanted to take Pepper, but I was like, oh, I don't know how he would do. And I'm like, wait a minute, I don't need to take him to see Santa. There's an app for that. So I used a photo editing app and I took a picture of Pepper. It was actually a picture of him on the kitchen counter, and I used the photo editing app and I placed him on Santa. So there we go. Now I have a picture of Pepper with Santa and I'm super happy. All right, I backed a cut file off camera. This is a cut file that I purchased from Pear Tree Cut Files. Now, the Shimmerz Paints color kits does come with a couple cut files, and they are free with your subscription. But I decided I wanted to use a different cut file in today's layout. And the cut file's from Pear Tree Cut Files, and this one says, "Here comes Santa Paws." I mean, how perfect is that for the photo? So I cut it out with some green cardstock from my stash, and then I used that pink stripe pattern paper to back the letters that was in the cut file. Now off camera, I did go in and I added a little bit of some glue. I don't think I have that on camera, but maybe that's later on in the video. Let me go ahead and get started with the decorating and embellishing on this layout. So here are some of the pieces that were included in the ephemera pack this month. And I love these little lights, these little twinkling lights. So I thought those would be super cute to put on this page. So I'm going to overlap one on top of the other. And that's going to give some extra interest up here at the top of the page. Now I did back the photo on the green striped paper. I tried to use most of the pattern papers that came in the kit. Now, if you like this kit, make sure you go onto the Shimmerz Paints website and grab it because I'm sure this one will sell out. I love the epoxy flare that comes in the kit, so I'm using this one that has like the little, what is that? A little light bulb, and I'm gonna place that at the top. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make a little nest of tangled thread. So what I like to do is take a glue dot, and then I take my tangled thread and I wrap it around like the width of all my fingers. So I did about 3 pulls on the thread. I wrap it around my fingers and then I pinch it in the middle, and then I place that on the glue dot. So I've kind of got loops on the sides, and then I'll fan those out. Then I'll grab another glue dot and I'll go ahead and place that down onto the layout. So that's what makes it stick. And there we go. There's my tangled thread up here behind the epoxy. So super cute. All right, so this layout's really almost completed. It's coming together pretty much by itself. I print all my photos at home on the Epson PictureMate 400. So I printed this in 4x6. And here I'm adding this little holly leaf, and this was from the coloring sheet. So included in the kit every month is a coloring sheet, and you can paint those up with the paints and then fussy cut them. So I sat down one afternoon and I painted the coloring sheet, and I cut apart several of those. You can see in the bottom of my stack and sort tray, I have a couple that I did not paint, but I thought for sure that I would use these holly leaves. Now I'm taking my roll of foam, and I'm going to go ahead and place these 3 little stockings. I'm going to add some foam on them and place them underneath the photo. I thought that would be appropriate. So Santa and the stockings. So I'll get those placed down. Now I do want to mention, if you place an order on the Shimmerz Paints website, you can add my name, Melissa Minor, to the notes section of your order, and Shimmerz will send you a free paint. And you can add my name to every order you place, and each time you'll receive another free paint. So that's a great way to really build up your paint supply, and it's always a fun surprise seeing which color that you receive. Now I'm making another embellishment cluster here in the lower left, so I thought I'd pull out all of the pieces of ephemera that were trees. So I've got the green tree, the red tree, the pink tree, and then like the aqua colored tree. And I'm just gonna cluster those down here in this bottom left. A couple of those don't have foam tape, and then I think this aqua one has a little bit of foam on it, or maybe it's the pink one. One of these has foam. I'm going to put a little bit of foam tape on the back of this Merry Christmas. And I'm trying to figure out where I want it, so I'm auditioning it in several places around the layout, but I really like it there on the bottom with the trees. So I think that's where it's going to land. So let me put a little bit of foam tape on the back, and then we'll place this down. So this layout is really coming together quickly. I didn't have an idea when I started this. I knew I wanted to use the picture of Pepper with Santa, and I wanted to use the cut file, and then I knew I wanted to use that striped pattern paper, and from there it's really just kind of developed. I thought about placing another one of these epoxy flare dots on the layout, but I don't want it to get too busy. I like the simplicity of this, and I think it looks cute. I don't want to build up that bottom cluster, so I think I'm just going to set that aside and maybe use that on another layout. As I was looking in my stack and sort tray at the ephemera, I found this other holly leaf, and it's a little bit larger than the other one. I didn't realize that they were different sizes. Luckily, I had just glued down the smaller one, so I was easily able to pull that up, so I'm going to replace that there with the larger one. I thought for a while that I wanted to use the smaller one, maybe intertwined with the cut file, but then I was afraid you couldn't read the letters, and again, I don't want to take anything away, and it really doesn't add anything to the layout, so I think I'll save that for a future project as well. I'll place that to the side. Now to finish today's layout, I am going to add some additional little bits and pieces. I am going to fill in where it has the paws. I want to bring in some glitter gel for that, or some pops of color. I've got a clear pops of color that has glitter in it, and it just kind of reminds me of like the little paws on my kitty cat. So I'll fill that in. I don't think you can see it on camera. And then I also filled in a little bit of pops of color on the Santa hat in the white. And now I'm adding a few of the sequins that were included in the bonus bundle. So the bonus bundle is an add-on purchase that you can supplement your color kits. The bonus bundle comes with some sequins and a paint, and it's only a few dollars. So it's a great way to even try out Shimmerz Paints if you haven't, is to try out a bonus bundle, getting the sequins and a paint, and then adding my name. So you get 2 paints and a sequin. So that's an idea for you. So that is going to finish up today's layout. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back. And if you don't already follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, I would love for you to follow me on those platforms as well. If you have any questions about Shimmerz Paints, leave them down below in the comments and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!